How do you use your cutlery, especially your knife and your fork? The simple way to use them is open your palms, put it this way, and then this way. So this finger is here, and this finger is here, and the rest are holding the bottom. Please do not hold your knife this way. Do not hold it like a pen. Do not hold your fork this way like you're going to stab. There's only one way, this way, and you turn it and you eat it this way. Now there are two ways to cut and eat your food. One is known as the American way, zigzag, which is you cut a piece of meat, you put your knife down, switch the fork to this hand, pick up the piece of meat, and you eat it. And then you switch it back, cut off another piece, put it down, and switch, and so on and so forth. The European style is you keep the cutlery together, cut off a piece, either you stab it and you eat, or you push the food onto the tinge of the fork and you bring it to your mouth and you eat it. If you ever need to change the hand and use the fork, then the fork is used this way in the right hand to pick up things and eat. When you are pausing between meals, leave your cutlery this way. Do not put them on the side like oars, like you're rowing a boat. And when you're finished, bring your cutlery together either this way. Some people call this the 6 o'clock position. Some people call this the 5 o'clock position. Or you can even put your knife inside this way or this way. And that is how you use your knife and fork epithet.